Our adventure begins with a relaxing ride first thing in the morning.
I'm tired.
Is there more cows or cowbells?
Am I about to turn old enough to do that? Am I about to turn
Yeah,
old
next time we come, you'll be able to do that.
Me too.
Soon, we see snow.
You see snow, Kaden?
Yeah.
Where?
So much snow right there. And right there. And right there. And right there. And everywhere. Yeah.
On the snow, we begin our trip. Sometimes walking,
Anymore. The snow. It's snow now, not ice, right?
sometimes running, and
No.
lots of goofing around. Our destination is a lake. The pictures we've seen online are amazing. We're taking our time. The sun makes it feel warmer than it otherwise would be here in late May. We march on. Cooper! Along the way, playing in the snow. What is it? Here we are, walking in Switzerland.
Hello. Oh man, that one can almost reach that cloud. I cannot reach the cloud, but so close.
In Europe, especially here in Switzerland, it's easy to get to big views and spectacular scenery. It's all around. The last few steps, and there it is. That patch of snow, that's the lake. It's frozen over with snow covering the ice. But this really is one of those times when the journey is the destination.
Snowball find on your phone. Is this the tiniest snowball you ever seen?
I think so.
Whoop. That was a big snowball.
This hike would likely take most people about 45 minutes one way.
That's big.
We took about an hour and a half.
Okay, fine.
This was our plan for the day.
We purposely build in plenty of time for any activity, especially with kids. There's no need to be in a hurry. After all,
Come on, I need to show you something. Come on.
The plan is to spend time together.
Is that a snake or what? No, it's a snake. Yeah, it's a snake. Throw, I said it. Okay.
From up here, we are so high, the paragliders are down below. About halfway down the mountain, at a lift stop, we find a playground.
Yeah, I made two. Hello.
Playgrounds in Europe are the best. They seem to be more adventurous than the US, and our boys love them.
I'm never ever.
Most of the time.
It's cheating. I'm not. It's cheating. You can't best video like me right now.
We make it a priority to look for playgrounds when we travel.
Dad, this thing's getting weird. When I step on it, that when I step on this thing, I'm gonna get slower. Wait, no. This thing runs.
It does?
Dad, and I fall down. Like a second ago, but I'm on a bite. Man. Wow, that was fun. I didn't do that. Let's go. Sit on the wall. Oh, you're doing it to me, Mom. Like, it's not even how you do to me. That's in the wall.
Turns out a swing and a camera makes them a little silly.
Yeah. It's a camera. We're sitting on this booty swing. Yeah.
We often find the farther we go when we travel, the closer we get as a family. And on this day, the only thing missing was more time.
Hey.